Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make your home life a bit easier, you're in the right place. Today, we've got 10 incredibly useful tools for home use that you can find right on Amazon. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Transform your bathroom cleaning routine with the PMUS Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner, a must-have tool for tackling tough stains and deposits. Designed to remove calcium deposits, limescale, and hard water rings from toilets, sinks, tiles, and ceramic surfaces, it also effectively removes rust and grease from grills and ovens. Wet the pumice stick before use and test on a small area to ensure safety. The long handle offers a comfortable grip for reaching difficult spots. This set includes 1 wand and 8 disposable pumice stones, which easily attach and eject by pushing the sphere at the top of the wand. After use, flush the toilet several times to clear any remaining debris. The pumice stone toilet bowl cleaner simplifies bathroom cleaning, making it more efficient and saving you time. Keep your bathroom sparkling clean with this versatile and powerful cleaning tool. Number 2. Introducing the Kitchen Unique Gadget Set, a versatile 6-piece collection designed to enhance your kitchen experience. This set includes a cheese grater for cheeses, vegetables, and chocolate, a garlic and ginger grinder, a pizza cutter for pizzas and flatbreads, a bottle opener, a swivel peeler for fruits and vegetables, and an herb stripper. These gadgets are perfect for updating your existing kitchen utensils or starting fresh. The space-saving design offers 3 convenient storage options. Stack the gadgets on top of each other, store them in a kitchen drawer, or hang them on the wall using the removable locking ring. Alternatively, pack the whole set inside the included drawstring bag for clutter-free storage. Made with durable 410 and 430 stainless steel blades and ABS plastic handles, these tools are comfortable, lightweight, and suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply place the gadgets in the dishwasher for a quick and thorough cleanup. Enhance your kitchen efficiency with this essential gadget set. Number 3. Introducing the 36-inch grabber reacher tool, perfect for reaching out-of-the-way items effortlessly. This foldable grabber, designed for the elderly and those needing assistance, features a strong steel cable and aluminum tube construction. Its anti-slip rotating jaw with a magnet and 4-inch wide claw opening ensure a secure grip on clothes, shoes, remotes, and more. With a 36-inch range, it's ideal for picking up items from the ground, high shelves, or cleaning up trash without bending over. It's also a thoughtful post-surgery gift or handy accessory for those with limited mobility. Say goodbye to dangerous shelf climbing and hello to effortless retrieval with the versatile 36-inch grabber reacher tool. Number 4. Introducing the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, your all-in-one solution for easy and efficient meal prep. This 8-in-1 multipurpose tool includes 7 interchangeable inserts, 2 chopper blades, and 2 spiralizer inserts for broad ribbons or thin spirals, making it the perfect cooking gift for both women and men. Designed for convenience, the rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades ensure smooth, crisp dicing of potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more. The soft grip handle, made of durable TPU, provides enhanced control, while the non-skid rubberized bottom keeps the chopper firmly in place. Its catch tray eliminates mess, making cleanup effortless. Plus, the entire BPA-free chopper is dishwasher safe. Simplify your cooking and enjoy healthier meals with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Number 5. Introducing the Fly Trap Indoor, an effective solution for controlling flying insects in your home. This device, which includes 1 trap and 5 glue cards, uses blue-violet light to attract mosquitoes, gnats, fruit flies, houseflies, moths, and more. The insects are then trapped on the adhesive card, ensuring they cannot escape. The soft blue-violet light is effective in attracting flying insects without disturbing your sleep, making it perfect for nighttime use. This non-toxic indoor fly trap is safe for children and pets as it doesn't use mosquito attractants, insect repellent, or active insecticides. The adhesive cards are odorless and replaceable, and the device features a stylish white and gray design that blends with your home decor. The light is directed towards the wall or ground, preventing direct exposure to your eyes. The Fly Trap Indoor includes 5 adhesive cards, which are strong enough to securely hold trapped insects. With a low power consumption of 0.6 W, this device can operate continuously, making it ideal for use in bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, farms, garages, and houseplant areas. Keep your home free from flying pests with this efficient and stylish insect trap. Number 6. Introducing the adjustable multifunction bottle cap opener, the perfect solution for easily opening various types of cans and bottles without straining your hands. Ideal for people with arthritis, the elderly, and those with limited hand strength or long nails. This opener ensures you don't have to make direct contact with sharp edges or exert excessive force. The ergonomic design conforms to the natural curve of your hand, providing a comfortable grip and reducing hand fatigue. It's easy to grasp, stable during operation, and prevents slipping. The adjustable feature accommodates different sizes and types of lids and caps, up to 10 centimeters in size, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this jar opener is durable and maintains its performance over time. It's also economical, eliminating the need for multiple can openers and saving storage space. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making it convenient and hygienic to clean. Simplify your kitchen tasks with this versatile and durable can opener. Number 7. Introducing the fruit and vegetable washing machine, a portable device designed to enhance your food cleaning routine. This advanced fruit and vegetable cleaner utilizes OH-ion purification technology to effectively remove pesticides, dirt, and bacteria from your produce. Simply submerge your fruits and vegetables in water and let the device do the work. This portable cleaner is ideal for those who want to ensure their food is thoroughly cleaned without relying on harsh chemicals. It's perfect for use at home or on the go, providing a convenient and efficient way to prepare your produce for consumption. The device is easy to use and ensures that your fruits and vegetables are free from unwanted residues, promoting healthier eating habits. Enjoy cleaner, safer food with this innovative washing machine. Number 8. Introducing the JNZ 24-foot aluminum telescoping pressure washer wand, a professional-grade tool designed for high-reaching cleaning without the need for a ladder. This 5-stage telescoping wand extends up to 24 feet, allowing you to easily clean soffits, fascia, siding, and gutters from the ground. Made from sturdy, lightweight aluminum, this wand is easy to handle and operate. The comfortable padded grip reduces fatigue during extended use. It features a fully sealed spray gun and durable pressure washer hose to prevent leaks and is compatible with pressure washers up to 4,000 psi. The wand includes 4 adjustable sections with lever locks for customizable length, and the M22 14mm male thread outlet ensures stability with extension wands. It comes with 2 hose adapters and a 3/8-inch QC inlet that fits most pressure washer hoses. Essential accessories include 3 extension wands, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, and gutter cleaner, 7 spray nozzles for various angles, a pivoting coupler for adjusting jet angles, and a lengthened support belt to ease physical strain. The JNZ wand provides convenience and efficiency for all your high-reach cleaning needs. Number 9. Enhance your DIY projects with the Wood Grain Toolkit, designed for creating authentic wood grain patterns effortlessly. This premium tool set is made from durable rubber, ensuring long-lasting performance for all your wood graining needs. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to achieve stunning wood grain effects on various surfaces, whether you're a beginner or a professional. The kit includes 4 different types of rollers, each specially designed for decorative wood grain applications. This versatile tool simplifies the process of transforming plain surfaces into realistic wood-inspired masterpieces, perfect for walls, furniture, and more. Elevate your home decor projects with this comprehensive set. The Wood Grain Toolkit is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned painters alike, providing a game-changing solution for achieving professional-looking results with ease. Number 10. Introducing the 2-in-1 Groove Cleaning Brush, your go-to tool for detailed cleaning tasks around the house. This multi-purpose brush features hard bristles and a hidden scraper, allowing you to effectively remove accumulated dirt from narrow spaces. The small groove dustpan design enhances efficiency by collecting scrape dirt, making cleaning quick and easy. Crafted from premium plastic and pet-thick bristles, this brush is built for durability and long-lasting performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it portable and convenient to store while reaching every corner of your home. The ergonomic handle provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue, ensuring a comfortable cleaning experience. Versatile in use, this brush is ideal for cleaning window seals, glass door tracks, windowsills, sliding doors, shower door tracks, sinks, toilets, and faucets. Eliminate stubborn dirt and keep hard-to-reach areas spotless with this efficient cleaning tool.